day everyone, my name is Edwin P. Zamora and my member's name June David Aquino and Jessica Jean Pasalo. We are here to discuss the advantage and disadvantage of computer. Advantages: increase productivity and efficiency. Computers automate tasks allowing for faster completion of work, increase overall efficiency in various fields.
The advantage of social media. Social media offers numerous benefits that enhance communication, education, and business opportunities. Like for example, the global connectivity. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram enable instant communication, allowing users to stay connected with friends and colleagues worldwide. And also the access to information and education. Social media provides real-time updates on news and events. It also offered educational content, tutorials, and resources, making learning accessible to a global audience. While social media has its drawbacks such as potential impact on mental health and privacy concern, its advantage is fostering communication and education and business growth. Our significant responsible use can maximize these benefits.
The advantage of access information. The internet, powered by the computers, provides unparalleled access to a vast amount of information, educational resources, and diverse perspectives.
Is the disadvantage of computer. First, health concern. Prolonged computer use can lead to physical problems like eye strain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and poor posture. Excessive screen time is also linked to mental health issues. Second, addiction and distraction. The addictive nature of certain computer applications and games can lead to decreased productivity and neglected responsibilities. And last, privacy and security risks. Online activities generate vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy violations, data breaches, and cybercrime. Conclusion: do computers improve or harm our daily life? Yes and no, because computers have positive effects such as easier communication, access to information, and increased productivity. They also contribute to health and daily convenience. However, there are also negative effects such as lack of exercise, mental health problems, privacy risks, job displacement, and the potential for addiction. Therefore, it's crucial to use them properly and in a balanced way.